Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today, as you can see, I'm doing a celebratory look. So on my Instagram, if you guys don't follow it, I've been building it very diligently. I'm be posting like almost every single day. You'll rarely see days where I don't post anything, and it's become pretty active. I am just over 1,000 followers, and I wanted to create a look, to post on my Instagram story and feed to celebrate, the 1,000 followers. Every day that I see people liking my posts, I'm like, holy crap, I can't believe people are actually looking at the stuff that I make, because like for the longest time on YouTube, I would only get a couple of views, here and there, and that's it. But on Instagram, I think there's a lot more people actually just surfing and looking, because you're not absorbing content, for a long period of time. So it gives the looks a chance to be exposed to more people. I'm starting to build a small community on Instagram. Like, I have people that I DM and I talk to, and I like their pics, and I watch them grow as artists, and they watch my page and they watch me grow as an artist, and it's really fun. If you guys haven't visited, please go check it out at least once in your lifetime to see what it's all about. Let's move on to this video. I am going to do a very decadent smoky eye with gold, and I want to build it like, I want to make it really big. So we'll see how big I can get the smoky eye to be. I'm going to use the holiday palettes from Pat McGrath, so I'll be using Bronze Temptation, Metamorphosis, and maybe a little bit of Dark Star. We'll see. And yeah, let me zoom in and we'll get it started. Because I wanted more dramatic makeup for the photo that I'm about to take, I did a very heavy cream contour, very heavy highlight. I have NARS Hot Twist blush and highlight on as well. My brows are really well defined, they're really big and thick, so this will allow us to apply a little bit more shadow than usual. So let me go ahead and get it started with the NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. Okay, and I'm going to start with Bronze Temptation, and I'm going to use the color. So we're going to start with Celestial all over the lid to use it as a base. I'm going to use the eyeshadow brush by Bobbi Brown. And now I'm going to use the shade Burning Desire. And I'm really going to pack on that shade. Today we're not going for subtle at all. Like, we're gonna make it pretty dramatic. Okay, now I'm gonna use Dark Paradise on top of that to make it a little bit darker. And unlike other tutorials, I am digging the brush in the pan, Okay, let's bring that to the bottom and shape this out a little bit more. I'm going to take Burning Desire with a small brush and just going to start doing the bottom. Okay, I'm going to put Dark Paradise on top of that. Okay, now that we have the main shape, I'm going to use a smaller crease brush and I'm going to start winging it upwards and outwards. And I'm going to start with Burning Desire. Okay, now I'm going to add more Dark Paradise to make it a little darker. Okay, now I'm gonna open another palette and we're gonna start adding a little bit more different colors. Now I'm using Dark Star and I'm gonna use Dark Matter. So I'm just gonna use Dark Matter. I'm gonna start like contouring the eye a little heavier. Okay, now we're gonna cut that crease a little bit to make the middle part show up a little bit more. So we're gonna use the whiteout concealer from Kat Von D, and I'm gonna use the NYX brush in 28 because it has an amazing shape to kind of cut out the lid. And I'm adding sterling to the inner corners of the eye just to kind of give it a little pop. And we're gonna add a heavy load of gold standard. Okay, now I'm gonna grab a little bit of water. We're gonna add gold standard. Okay, now I'm gonna use copper just to blend out the outer corners. And I'm gonna use copper with a little bit of water to draw a eyeliner. Now I'm just gonna get a little bit of deep. Is it called deep? No, it's called something else. Dark matter. So I'm gonna get a little bit more dark matter. I'm gonna put it right next to that wing we created just to make it stand out a little bit more. Oh, I'm gonna apply a little bit of, actually bringing another palette in, so I'm bringing Mothership 5 and I'm gonna apply the glitter Astral Lunar Gold to the inner corners. We're also gonna apply a little bit of Astral Lunar Gold to the lid. And now I'm just gonna finish off with a little bit of eyeliner mascara and we'll come back and wrap it up. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. So you can see a huge glow. I put some mascara on, some eyeliner. I have my #1 for 1,000 followers. And that's it. I'll be posting some photos showing you the vision behind the look. I do have a photographer helping me. I'll put his link to his Instagram down below. His name is Ben. You can go say hi or whatever. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. Yeah, I guess that's it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. If you don't follow my Instagram, go ahead and go over there and follow it. You know, help me out and be inspired. I have all my looks there. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and ring the bell so you know when I have a new video. And don't forget to like and share the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.